We are the
The
chaotic
Chaotic Gamer Duo. The Chaotic Gamer Trio.
trio.
Trio
No,
for
no,
now because his cousin mo ba yan o hindi?
cousin. Nare-record na.
Baby cousin niya. Khalil.
Okay. So this might be a funny video.
Yeah, it's gonna be a funny vid. You're gonna hear him saying Khalil all the time.
Let's see Dave's Hot Chicken. Do you guys prefer Cane's or Dave's Hot Chicken? Chris Apple Olipop?
Sabi tayo.
Let's go, guys.
Best friends. We are best friends. Ano? Uy, meron tayo naiwan. Wala tayo doon sa front. Ano ba yan?
Ano?
Wala tayong headlights. Ano ba yan?
Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Di na natin kailangan.
What? Ano yun? Wait, naalis ako doon sa car! Wait! Wait! Also, you guys think my...
Bilis naman, oh.
Also, you guys might think my voice is different because I'm sick.
Yeah.
And seeing Khalil, or hearing Khalil is rare. Actually, not rare. What do you think?
You can run,
Yeah.
by the way.
I have no stamina. You have to say nothing? You say nothing? You're just eating bubblegum? Ew!
Luwa na. Luwa na. Luwa na yan. Akin na. Akin na. Wala na lasa yan.
Ew! May bubblegum na yung cellphone ko.
Yeah!
Ew. This is definitely chaotic.
Chaotic Gamer Trio.
Bro, this is definitely chaotic. Nakahill na! Nakasan mo daw. Thank you.
Lakasan ko, pwede tayo maging racer. Sige maging racer tayo.
Layo na natin, no? Oo nga, ang layo na natin. Wala nang bahay natin. Uy! Naalis ka sa road.
Drifter.
Miss!
Drifter tayo.
Drifter ka dyan. Mapapunta ka sa rock.
Napunta ba ako sa rock?
Hindi. Pero ako yung magpapunta sa rock. Hey! Hey! Uy! Ang DC!
Let's get back on the road. Let's go.
Ah!
Sino nagbukas ng pinto ko? Papansin kayo ko. Papansin pagab. It seems like you're drowning, bro.
Maybe because I have a headset.
Yeah.
Does it feel like Khalil is drowning? Yes, just like Khalil is talking. Hey! Sorry. Khalil, tanggalin na natin yung headset. Kaya hindi tayo marinig ni Ate Mija.
Hey?
May bakit mo pinatay yung call? Tatanggalin ko na yung headset ko eh.
Hindi ko naman pinatay yung call. Bakit?
Ay, baka si Khalil.
Ba yan, galit ka na naman.
Bro, this banana peel doon, no? This is definitely chaos. Ano ba yung banana peel? Oo nga, nakita ko na already yung banana peel. Easy, I have something to say.
What?
This is definitely chaotic.
Yeah.
What the road? Zoom, no. Zoom out. Yes, that's right. Ano ba yan? What is this?
Ayan.
Ano ba yan, Lisa? I'm gonna get the gun, okay?
Yeah.
Ate Lisa. I'm gonna get the gun. Ate Lisa. Ikadiri!
Ano ba talaga? Ano ba yan?
Bakit ka galit sa akin? Ikalil yun. Ito. Bakit? Ano buksan na ito? Lalabas ko eh. Hindi ka pwede lumabas, Kalil. May zombie! Uy, Kalil! Hindi ka pwede lumabas!
Kala ko, bumibigat na yung kotse natin. Ah.
Uy, Kalil naman!
Bumibigat na kotse natin, ha?
Wala na ako ammo! Run over them! Run over! Oh, our car became rusty. Doy, tinano kayo natin! Bakit na marumi na yun ng kotse natin? Oo na.
Go, go, go. Upo, upo. Upo na.
Upo.
Kotse.
Upo na. Ayaw ko.
Sige, ha? Huwag kayo umupo.
Kakain muna ako ng banana.
Uy, sa akin yan. Huwag ka.
Meron ba, nandyan ba yung pangalan mo?
Sinabi ko.
Uy, Kalil, baka mahulog ka, Kalil. I think Kalil's eating it. Okay, I'm gonna get loot. Wait, there's a legendary car!
Whoa. Are you sure we can use it?
And it works!
Really?
Yeah!
Maybe
I can drive in it! It actually works. Mizia, let's try out this car.
Sure.
It actually works though. I'm not joking. Bro, if this works, I'm gonna be so happy. This is good loot. Ala, si Kalil driver. Yes, sir. I can ban na.
Can you get the engine and the... What do you call that? The something?
Hindi. Huwag kayo malipid dyan. Uy, may engine na tayo pero ang liit.
Does it work? Okay, go. Get out, Khalil. Get.
Kalil, umalis ka. Ate Misa yung driver. Di. Si Ate Misa yung driver. Di. Si Ate Misa yung driver. Hindi, driver na ako eh. Hindi si Ate Misa. Should we get the exhaust fan? Actually, not exhaust fan. Bye. Wait, hindi pa tapos. Nilalagay ko yung radiator. Wait lang nga.
This looks cool.
If it works, I'm so happy.
For real.
Wait, how do I get in the back? Can you drive it? Yes! Wait, I don't know how to... Oh, there you go. Wait, we have a vault location. It says in the back, vault location 8 kilometers.
Go.
What is that?
Go.
What does that mean?
Go in now. Try to dodge. Dodge the cat.
Wait,
Like that. So.
Wait, let me go through the driver's seat first because... What?
Wait.
Uy, I mean, Kalil, yung car na.
Alis dyan, Khalil. Alis dyan.
Mayan. Na yung car, hindi na tayo madadrive nito.
Wait lang, matadrive pa to. Wait lang. Kaya,
Ano yan?
kaya pa to, kaya pa to.
Oy, naipit ka. Oy, naipit daw si Kalil. Uy, Khalil. Tinanggal mo kasi yun ang...
Diba?
Wait, tignan ko kung tinanggal ni Khalil yung mga wheels. Wait. Pwede. Wait, wag ka muna sumakay, Khalil. Uy, hindi na ako makadaan doon sa backseat. Wala na kasi wala kasi tawag doon eh. Wait, let me try. Yan. Okay na, Khalil. Drive!
Sandali lang, hindi ko na makahintay.
I'm just gonna go to the bathroom.
Oh, yeah! I-close na pintuan! Tala naman, no!
Tita? Tita?
Hindi ako si Misha. Uy, close na yung pintuan mo, Khalil. Oh.
Miss! Miss! Tinatawag ko ni Khalil.
Ano gusto mo, Khalil?
Wala na siya, ano? Wala na. Wala na siya dati ko.
Ano?
Gusto ko ng chocolate. Wala na daw yung daddy niya. Gusto daw niya chocolate.
Ano gagawin ko?
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
Wala na si daddy mo? Hindi nandoon, no?
Help! I can't get out of the car. Please! Help me! Help me! I'm gonna die! Oh wait, I'm a distraction. Miss! Miss!
Go.
Miss! Miss! I'm going on top of the car. Ah! Yeah! Yeah! Bro, you're leaving me! You're leaving me! Yes! Go! Go forward! I'm inside! What?
Our time.
Kain na po? Okay. Help me. I can't sit.
Don't sit them.
Can you stop moving because I'm gonna go like sit in the car.
Oh. Okay.
Car is broken.
No, it's not.
Lambot na.
Retreat.
Okay, I'm inside. I'm inside the car now. I glitched inside.
Oh.
Bro, this is really chaotic. We are the chaotic. Wait, we left our food on the car.
No, that was only a banana and a
Okay. Rio. Rio.
Ow.
We are. Hey
Isa?
guys. Dali. Tama ka sa kanila, Heda.
Misha? Ni?
Ate.
Ate Misha. Ate Misha? Siguro tawagan ko muna si Misha, Ate Misha kapag nag-uusap ako sa kanya para si kanya. Ate Misha?
Oh no, bro! I'm not gonna respond to you.
Oy, gusto mo si Khalil tawagan ikaw, Misha.
For a while.
For a while lang. Kapag nandito si Khalil, sasabihin, tatawagan lang kita, Ate Misha. Kapag wala si Khalil, tatawagan kita, Misha.
What will you say?
Sige lang. Oh, there's lots of food. We have dynamite. We have
Can I eat? I am so hungry. I'm actually hungry, dude.
No,
Too much.
lol. You should eat.
I won't listen to you because I'm hungry.
Khalil!
Okay. Okay? Okay.
Khalil, you should eat. There's lots of food.
Easy.
Tsaka mamamatay ka kapag hindi ka kumain.
We have a dog tag. Okay. We have an ornament.
Wait, do you have a dog collar?
Dog tag, not dog collar.
Oh, I thought collar.
Big mo yung kaya ano. Ikita mo. Ay, kaya ayaw mo. Sige na. No, ganun man. Yan. That one. Oh.
What is C for him?
This one.
Okay, Khalil's gonna go back in the car. But I'm controlling Khalil.
Oh yeah, let's do this, dude.
Wait, I'm not there yet. That was just me in Khalil's body.
Okay. Oh, what?
Ah.
You and Khalil's body? What's a clown?
Yeah.
Phone?
Wait! Holding the balloon makes you fly.
Big mo kayo lang.
Oh.
It actually does. Look at me. Whee!
What? You should use that.
Wait, let me keep it on the car, okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it on the car.
I'm gonna.
Wait, what is... Wait! It looks cool.
Basta ba lang
The car.
If we need a...
Baliw ko.
What happened to the car? Miss!
What?
Wait, Khalil, bakit ka lumabas sa car? Pumasok ka again, Khalil. Uwi na ako. Ano ka? Oh. Uy, Khalil, bumalik ka!
Uy,
Bumalik ka! Ah! Bumalik ka! Bumalik ka!
where my
Bumalik
bomb?
ka! Bumalik ka! Hey! Let me sit. Uy, bumalik ka. Uy, Khalil, bakit ka driver? Khalil! Khalil!
Uy, wala
Bakit ka driver? Khalil, si Ate Misa yung driver.
Uy, ayun na gumana ng wheel.
Ano mo yan?
Wala na.
Ayaw gumana.
Wala na.
Saan ba napunta?
Wala na tayong wheel. Ano nangyayari? Ba?
Yung buhay ko! Khalil, hindi ka driver! Khalil, hindi ka yung driver! I'm sorry, but you're not the driver. Maybe I can... Uy, yung kotse! Wala na!
Bro!
Uy, Khalil! Uy, Khalil! Thank you! Lumipad yung kotse! Nilipad ni Ate Mizia!
Grenade.
Wait, Khalil, tingnan ko lang.
Ipadrive.
Uy, Khalil, mamamatay ka na. Mamamatay ka na, hungry mo.
Ay, nakakatawa na pa. Uy, ayaw na naman. Ayaw na naman.
Penta lang.
Uy, ayaw na ng wheel. Ayaw na ng wheel. Ayaw.
Are you lagging, Mizia?
No, why? Ayaw na ng wheel. Shut
No! Pinap ni... Ala, yung balloon.
Ano?
Yung balloon na pop.
Oh.
Akin na. Wala na maglalaro. Akin na.
Wheel. Talo.
Ow, Khalil! Yung ulo ko! Stop.
Ayaw na nga. Kailangan ko mali. Babalik ko. Bye.
Kakain, doon kami sa likod na kain. Nangis mo ba?
Doon ka. Doon.
Sige, kakain na kami.
Sige. Sige na. Sabihin na lang kami. Baka naman mamaya.
Oo, bakit? Ito, dalawa ko kakain na kayo.
Live ko na, guys!
Tara na, tara na. Balik ka na. Balik ka na. Sumabay na tayo sa kanila.